What's up, what's up? And this is your Ate Dang again. Welcome to another video. And by the way, before I proceed, thank you po sa lahat ng nanood and nag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ay ating ituton with Fanola No Yellow shampoo. So today I made another video for you guys, another tutorial about hair toning. So ito yung alam ko. A disclaimer, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional when it comes to hair dyeing, etc., etc. This is what I do for myself and this is what satisfies me. So, today, ang gagawin natin is itong hair na nag-fade na. We are going to try Fanola No Yellow shampoo on it. So, nagamit ko na siya before and I still have at least maybe kalahati pa ng container so I can use that. So, yun na nga po. Ito po ay ating ituton with Fanola No Yellow shampoo. I don't have any goal set like anong kulay yung gusto kong ma-achieve. We are just gonna try and see what's gonna be the result of Fanola No Yellow shampoo sa bleached and toned hair natin. So, for today, that's all that we're going to do. So, please stay tuned if you really want to see the results at the end of the video. And please do like and subscribe. And Yan, wala na tayong makeup. Hintay na lang tayo, mga 30 minutes, and then, panlaw na. So, ayan na nga po guys. Ito po ang naging resulta. So, pag dinamihan mo ng application and kinapalan mo siya, doon siya mas concentrated na silver, platinum, something. Pero kapag kakunti lang ang nilagay mo, hindi siya masyado mag-i-effect. So, yun yung difference. See? But I put so much on the roots that it turned it into silver, platinum. See? See the difference? So, sana nakikita niyo yung difference, guys. Pero, yes, siya, ayan na po siya. Wala na po akong ibang nilagay, kundi yung Fanola No Yellow shampoo. And, I'm satisfied naman. Natutuwa ako kahit medyo hindi siya pantay-pantay. And you can see the... See? You can see the sea. Anyway, ayan po siya. So, guys, I hope you learned something and you enjoyed something. Actually, I like that it's not full on silver gray because I look way too older. I like it that it's just a mix of ash blonde and gray. So, yeah. That's it for today, guys, and please, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates and upcoming videos. Right, see you on the next one.